Hello friends! Shampooing is a necessity for clean and healthy hair and scalp. Let us go through the special tips given by Happy Mom's hair and beauty expert in the right way to shampoo your hair. Remember to apply shampoo on wet hair only. In case you're using an organic or natural shampoo, do not expect too much foam and lather. Natural and organic shampoos will clean hair without too much lather also. Apply shampoo to the scalp first and work your way down the hair length. A very important tip. Wash and rinse the shampoo thoroughly well so that there is no residue left on your scalp and hair. Please remember, if there's any residue left on your hair or scalp, there are chances of buildup which can actually create problems for your hair growth. Use a natural or organic based conditioner to keep shampooed hair smooth and soft. Also keep in mind that conditioner is meant for hair length only and should not be applied on your scalp. Leave the conditioner on hair for a few minutes and again rinse off thoroughly well. Happy Mom's expert says that if you have thick, frizzy, dry hair, choose a shampoo and conditioner with rich moisturizing ingredients like coconut milk. In case you have thin, limp or damaged hair, choose a shampoo and conditioner with natural proteins. Choose organic and stay well. So that's about the art of shampooing. Hi friends, so I am back home after getting my hair washed using Happy Mom's organic shampoo and conditioner. So as you can already see, my hair feels really soft and nice and very much manageable. So I recommend all of you to switch to Happy Mom's organic shampoo and conditioner.